Hi everyone, I'm Xerox. Welcome to my channel where we talk about AI tools and animation. And today I will be showing you how to animate any image character with a simple video for free, just like this one displaying on the screen. To achieve this, you will be needing a video sample and an image character. For the image, with HD quality and resolution, you can try this sites on the screen. Now let's start by searching for Viggle AI on Google. Click on this one and join through a Discord account. On the Discord, choose anyone on this creator list. I will be choosing this one. Now on this page, press /. You will see the list of tools they have. We will be using this one to animate our image character with a sample video. Next step, upload your image character and video. We will only be using the character in the image and not the background. So we need to replace the background with a plain green color. So, click on the background, and on this section click green, then click on to activate the green background. Finally, press enter to execute it. Remember, so many people are using this platform, so your creation will sometimes be difficult to find. To easily access it, just copy your username and paste it on the search panel at the top right corner of the page, as you can see. And there you have it. Next step, we will need to remove the character in the video, so we can keep the video background. How do we do that? Simply go to www.runwayml.com. On RunwayML, click on View All Tools. Click on In Painting. Next, drag in the video and shade the entire image you want to remove. Allow it process it. And there you go. Amazing, right? Next, rename it, if necessary, and export the video. Click on this pop-up info down here to view the file. There you have it. Now, click on Download to download it. Next step is to blend the animated image with the video background together. So we will be using CapCut. Now, on CapCut, drag in your files and make sure the image character with green background is above the video background, as you can see on the screen. Next, click on the green background to highlight it. On the top right corner, select Remove BG. Next, enable Chroma key and click on Color Picker. Move your mouse pointer around the green areas until it turns green and left-click to sample the color. Now, adjust the two sliders to get a better cut. As you can see, adjust the character to sit well with the background, and that is it. Now export your file and use it as you wish. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Please do like, comment, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. Happy creating!